Hello there, Dancing Dawn, your mentor here from Everything Dance. Can I firstly remind you, can you please comment and subscribe and like and thumbs up? Because YouTube does not monetize any videos made in my country of Cyprus. Therefore, I'm only asking for subscribers and likes on certain videos because that is the only way I will know what videos you enjoy and what it is worth my time filming more of which dance subjects. So please always send me comments, likes, thumbs up. I can never get money from these videos, so they're purely being made for you to enjoy and to get out there and get dancing. So don't forget also share this video with your dancing friends and community. Thank you for doing that. So today we're going to continue with different types of time steps. And so today we're going to do time steps on 1 foot. So remember there's hundreds of different time steps and I'm going to try and get through as many of them as possible. So always put them in combinations, different ways, joining them together with different breaks in between. You can mix and match. So here we go. Single time step on 1 foot is just hop, hop, tap, ball change. Please go and watch my videos on how to do normal single time steps. I'll put the link in the description below and check out all the other time steps. So we're just making hop, hop, tap, ball change. Hop, hop, tap, ball change. I'm not going to show it slowly because by now you should have covered all the previous time step videos. Try and watch them in the order they were posted, which will be much more help to you. So here we go. Hop, hop, tap, ball change. 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 What do you notice about that one, different from everything else? Well, it doesn't change foot. Let's try with the other foot. Hop, hop, tap, ball change. 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 And hop, hop, tap, ball change. 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 And the other foot. Hop, hop, tap, ball change. 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 Single time step on 1 foot. Hop, hop, tap, ball change. 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 And the other foot. Hop, hop, tap, ball change. 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 Right foot. Hop, hop, tap, ball change. 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 Double time step on 1 foot. This one's a bit more difficult. So we do hop, tap, step, but no weight on the tap step, tap, ball change. As you'll notice, all on 1 foot, that's why they don't change feet, because we're saying time step on 1 foot. If you change feet, they won't be on 1 foot. So hop, tap, step, no weight, tap, ball change, no weight again. Hop, tap, step, tap, ball change. And I find if you make the tap step nearer your other foot rather than beyond, it's easier to get the tap, ball change out. Hop, tap, step, tap, ball change. So this foot never gets weight on it at all. Hop, tap, step, tap, ball change. Hop, tap, step, tap, ball change. And the other foot. Hop, tap, step, tap, ball change. Hop, tap, step, tap, ball change. Hop, tap, step, tap, ball change. Hop, tap, step, Don't forget, like all your other time steps, speed them right up as much as you can. Then we have triple time step on 1 foot, shuffle hop, shuffle to the side because it's triple, dig, tap, ball change. Remember, we're not changing feet, they're time steps on 1 foot. You find if you do a lot of these on 1 foot, the main leg you're doing them on should be quite achy. Shuffle hop, shuffle to the side, dig, tap, ball change. Shuffle hop, shuffle, dig, tap, ball change. Shuffle hop, shuffle, dig, tap, ball change. Shuffle hop, shuffle, dig, tap, ball change. And let's try with the other foot. Shuffle hop, shuffle dig, tap, ball change. Bit faster. That's quite a nice one to put in a dance or a simple routine. So play this video back as many times as you like and get them into a nice rhythm. So until next time, happy dancing, and don't forget to like, thumbs up, subscribe, most importantly, and share with your friends. Don't forget to leave me a comment so I know what you enjoy. Bye for now.